Hey everybody, thank you so much for joining me today. Today is one of my favorite days of the year. It is the day my FabFitFun box arrived. This is the spring box. I love the design, but let's go ahead and see what's inside. Ooh. Here it is, the spring FabFitFun box. And again, one of the really cool things about FabFitFun is you get to customize some of these items so everyone does not get the exact same box. So let's go in and see what I chose this month. The first item is 11 by Venus jump rope. And this was one I chose. The options were this, a daily detox brush or a face cleanser. And I actually jump rope a lot, so I knew I could use this. So here it is, jump rope, first item. The next item is a vitamin C brightening sleeping facial. I'm not familiar with this brand, Korez. I've been watching Grey's Anatomy, I think I just said Karev, but Kors, I don't know. Ooh, it smells really good. So I can't wait to try this sleeping facial. The other options were a picnic set or sunglasses, and I actually wear prescription glasses, so those were out for me. But this is really cool. I can't wait to try it. They say the retail value is $48. I don't know. There we go. All right, the next item. This looks like something I will love. This is Dr. Brandt No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. Depuffing. Another thing I love about FabFitFun is they do give you a full size, not just a trial size. So if you love it, you have a lot. So this just says to pat directly on bags and dark circles. So you can use it alone or under makeup. It's kind of an orange color. I definitely can use some eye help. And this eye depuffing gel is in everybody's box. So everybody gets this one. The next item is a leave-in conditioner, and I don't even, O-U-A-I. I don't know how to say that. This is, again, another item that came in everyone's box. Let's go ahead and open it. Let's see, it says it works all day to smooth, soften, and detangle hair with moisturizing properties and heat protection. It also says to mist on damp hair before brushing. All right, let's check out this. Ooh, that smells so good. Gosh, that actually smells like perfume. I love that. I'll need to check out these ingredients, but look forward to trying this out. The next item is, wow, champagne charcoal scrub. This is another one that was in everyone's box. Hold this up so you can see it. Let's open it. All right, I just opened this. It kind of reminds me of grape Fanta. I used to get grape soda at the pool when I was a little kid. That's what it smells like. A little bit, not really. It definitely has a great fragrance. This is what it looks like. This is almost like a spa day at your home. All right, I have a few more items. The next one, I was super excited about this. This is a water bottle or any kind of beverages. This is Sip by Swell, and this is one of those insulated hot stays hot and cold stays cold. I have definitely stopped trying to use the one-use plastic water bottles and moved to something like this, so I'm happy to have another one. And they did come in a ton of different designs, and it was just random which one you received, and I received a plain white one, but I have some stickers. I'll decorate it, and it's super cute. Definitely will get a lot of use out of this. The next item is, it's a cute little backpack. It's a lot smaller than I thought it would be. This is definitely more of like, I don't even know if a laptop would fit in here. Maybe an iPad, I'm not sure. It's pretty small, but it's cute. I like it. I look forward to using it. The retail value, they say, of this is $75. I'm not so sure about that, but I'll definitely get some use out of it. Here's the inside. It's cute. Adjustable. I think you can snap this as well. Yeah. The other options instead of the book bag, I call it a book bag, it's a backpack, are a robe or a aromatherapy diffuser. And I actually already have an aromatherapy diffuser. I use Young Living oil, so I wanted to stick with that. But the robe looked really awesome too, but I got the backpack. And I have one more item, and this is the one I have just been on pins and needles. So the choices for this one were copper-plated measuring spoons, body lotion, or a mystery item. So I actually had the copper spoons in my cart, but then I got a little worried about the copper coming off, and I definitely don't need any more moisturizer for my body. So I went with the mystery item, and here it is, a highlight stick for your face. I had seen online that a lot of people were getting lip stain, so I'm actually kind of excited to try this. I'm not quite sure if it'll work. I've never used a face highlighter. I actually don't even know how, so I'll have to Google, YouTube it. If you use this or a highlighter and you have a tutorial, please leave a link in the comments below, because I honestly don't know how to use this. Let's see if I can see what it looks like. It's just a little bit of shimmer. Again, I'll have to check out the ingredients, but looks pretty cool. I'm happy. I'm glad I chose the mystery. I was a little nervous about it, but I'm happy with this highlighter. So that's it. Those were all of the items from the Spring 2019 FabFitFun box. If you received a spring box, I would love to see what you chose, what options you had inside your box. So please leave your unboxing video in the comments below. And now this is actually maybe my favorite part of FabFitFun. This is my first add-ons. Actually, it's not. I did some add-ons for the winter box, but only got 2 things. But this time, I actually took a lot of time and went through all of the add-ons, and there are actually some really, really good deals out there. So I combed through all of them, and how it works is these items have really deep discounts, and you add them to your order, and they just include it with your shipment of your FabFitFun box. So there's no shipping charges, and these are already discounted, so there's some really great deals. So let's see what I ordered as add-ons. The first item is a very favorite of the FabFitFun community. It's the Spongel, and this is the beach grass fragrance, and I love these. They, it says it cleanses, exfoliates, hydrates, and massages. I'll actually show you what it looks like. It's a sponge, and it already has cleanser inside, so you just, when it gets wet, it lathers up. Oh, I can smell it through the package. And it smells so good. The whole bathroom smells so good after I use one of these. So I got a sponge gel. The next item is mascara. It was a huge markdown. I don't normally buy expensive mascara. I love Beauty Counter mascara, but I have not made an order lately, so I thought I would give this a try. It's called Lash Dance. And here you go. That's what it looks like. So I'll be trying this out. Ooh, this next item, this is from the Moroccan Gold series, and this is salt-free shampoo. In another box, I received Moroccan Gold conditioner, and I loved it, so I thought this would be really great to try. It smells so good. It smells just like the conditioner, so if you did receive that, you know what this smells like. It smells so good. This was another item I'm so excited about. This is a silk pillow sleeve. So silk pillowcases are really good for your skin. It helps keep you from getting creases on your face, and it's really good for your hair. And these I love because they fit on any pillow. It's a sleeve, it's not actually a pillowcase. And then the back is not silk, so it won't slip off of your bed. So I cannot wait to try this. It's from a company called Silk, and I believe they're the only ones that actually do the sleeve. So it'll fit on a standard queen, king, or king pillowcase. So there we go. That's probably, I've been dying for this to arrive. They were out of stock. I had to keep refreshing, and I actually looked for some other silk pillowcases online and did not see any that I wanted to invest in. And this one was such a great deal, and it finally became available, and I grabbed it and cannot wait to use it. So silk pillowcase. And I have one last item. This is Love Beauty and Planet energizing deodorant, and this was actually free. Sometimes FabFitFun on the add-ons, if you buy a few items, they will throw in something for free, and I cannot wait. 24-hour odor protection and no aluminum. So aluminum is really bad for your body, and I have been trying to use some more natural deodorants, and this is a great one to try. Actually smells really good. You have to be just a trial and error with these to see how your skin reacts, but I can't wait to try this. So that's it. Those were my add-ons. That was super fun. They do that with every box, so check those out. See if you can find some great deals. I am very excited about the deals I found, and I cannot wait to start using these items. They also have a edit sale, and I think that starts in a few weeks, and it's basically, from what I understand, the same concept. A lot of items that are deeply discounted, and you can just order them. And I believe with the edit sale, the shipping is free as well, but not 100% sure. I'll have to double check on that. I will definitely be browsing those items. Thank you so much for watching. Again, I would love to see your add-ons or your FabFitFun customized boxes. So if you have those videos or even an Instagram link, please leave that in the comments below. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and have a great week. Thank you.